At QuickBooks, we want to help you grow and grow with you. QuickBooks Online Advanced was created for more complex and growing businesses. Whether that means you need to support more users and controls, you want deeper insights and stronger reporting tools, or you need to connect more apps to run your business, Advanced has the flexibility to help you stay efficient as you grow. Today, I'm excited to share the latest innovations in Advanced that power your productivity so you can work smarter, faster, and continue to scale. Let's start with how Advanced saves you time. Managing a high volume of expenses or invoices can be time-consuming. Now, you can enter, edit, and send multiple invoices, checks, expenses, or bills at once. And if you're already working in Excel, you can easily cut and paste right into the QuickBooks transaction sheet. Batch invoicing alone reduces the time it takes to import and send invoices by 37%. Of course, it is not just the number of invoices that's increased as you grow. As teams expand, it can become harder to keep things on track for your business. Advanced empowers seamless collaboration in order to keep the business moving forward faster. Task Manager provides a single source of truth for who's working on what and when the task will be completed. Managers can create tasks and assign them to a specific employee to say, follow up with a customer, or assign transactions for approval. Advanced also improves process and collaboration through customizable and automated workflows. You can configure reminders, approvals, and more based on how your team works. For example, if you need CEO sign-off on any invoice over $50,000, you can simply create a workflow to trigger the appropriate approvals. Not only does this automate work, increase efficiency, and reduce errors, it also provides valuable peace of mind to you as a business owner. And if you're not sure where to start, you can choose from one of the preset workflow templates. Over time, Advanced will use artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide you tips and guidance on which workflows are best suited for your business. Now, we know that all of your work isn't happening within QuickBooks. Growing businesses rely heavily on many different apps to manage larger teams and their increased complexity. Advanced has deep integrations and customizable workflows with key apps such as HubSpot, LeanLow, Bill.com, and Salesforce. This means QuickBooks can truly become the source of truth for your business. Let me show you an example. When a deal is closed in Salesforce, it automatically creates an invoice for the customer in Advanced and triggers an approval workflow. You'll spend less time switching between apps and will be able to gain a holistic view of your operations in one central location. These deep integrations allow you to customize Advanced to fit your needs and provide you with the flexibility to stay efficient as you grow. While efficiency and connection are critical, they're not the only ingredients to scaling. Your business is unique, and turnkey dashboards and standard reports likely fall short on providing the specific insights you need to continue to grow. Our new and improved Performance Center gives you a bird's-eye view of how your business is performing through custom dashboard widgets with key performance indicators. AI-driven machine learning models proactively detect trends and anomalies across your revenue, expenses, and profit. In addition to these powerful customizable dashboards, Advanced helps you tailor reports to the information that matters to you. Report Builder allows you to filter, group, sort, and rearrange your data on any attribute, so you can get the insight you need to make the best decisions for your business. Take a look at all the features we've added to Advanced, such as automated data backup, custom fields, and smart AI-driven invoices. These innovations help us continue to scale QuickBooks to meet your needs as your business grows and evolves. Thank you.